CSS battle time, and I will put in the description, as always, how I think I do on this, and if it's worth even seeing the approach. This one looks interesting. This looks cool. I think what I'm gonna do is I'll do the borders, like set up the borders in the HTML, but I'll just do negative margin on the HTML to expand it out, and then on the body we'll have this, and then we'll just add an outline or box shadow or whatever. I think an outline is going to be a bit shorter than anything else, so let's do it. Wonder if there's no. Sorry, I'm just pausing to. I mean, that's like my first impression, but is there a way to do it where I don't have to do a whole extra line to get this blue edging? Like, what if this was a box shadow inset? And then I still have to write a box shadow. And then I'd need a border anyways. Okay, I'm gonna stick with my border solution for the moment. Solid and that color. And then we have to do separate border widths, but it should just be top, bottom, and then like, you know, that, and then 40. Yeah, that looks about right. It's margin. And we're looking for the outside box to be in line with those. Okay, 50 and negative 50. So far, so good. Okay. And then our body, we can select it. We are going to do different margin. We're going to go negative 20, get the right height, and bring it in. Okay. At least this is working. The last two this weekend were pretty rough. All right, border. No, not border. Outline. Because I think that'll be a couple characters shorter than pixels, and we're going to do the blue color solid. Shorter than a box shadow, because box shadow is such a long property name. Well, let's hit submit. That's one. I think this right here, like, I feel like I need to look at these yellow lines as something different. Like if they were a dashed border, and then, you know, and it was like 1, 2, 3, you know, and it had like this much, that 60 spacing, and then we just did a different thing for those, then that could be the HTML and that could be the body. And that would be ideal. All right, we have a saved thing. That was quick enough. I think I might be able to try this. Let's make a few changes here. I'm going to hit and on this. I'm going to get rid of that code there. And we're going to say, I'm going to get rid of these things. Border in line. It's a dash, not a space. Yeah, inline. Inline. 20 pixels. I can do this. Oh, I got it backwards. Border block. I always get those mixed around. Okay, now all these border solutions lately have had scale of some sort applied, like 0.5 by 1. Okay, I need to go the other way around. say it's 1 by 1.5. Nope. 0.5. Ooh. Okay. All right. That's interesting. And if we do, like, I've seen, like, even 3. Nope. That doesn't seem to change anything. Okay, what are we changing? Because I'm getting those longer, thinner. Oh. That's intriguing, right? Okay, okay, okay. So I'm getting the width I want. Kind of. But not the spacing. Okay, wait. Let's margin this. Interesting. Okay. So we're getting a different width, but what about the spacing? So if I drop this, is my spacing decreasing? No, it's not. My width is. So that keeps my width, and then that increases the length of the things, but it doesn't change the spacing. And if I add another, let's say 0.5, yeah, that doesn't change anything. Nothing's breaking, but nothing's changing. Okay, so are there not 3? I'm totally experimenting here. Whoa. 25 is interesting. Oh. Okay, let's turn off the diff while I'm doing this. Alright, I don't understand. I'm not sure how to manipulate. Oh, ooh. Okay. What if we do... If we get the right margin combination? And spacing? Okay. That's really close. Okay. 75. 65. 66. Oh, that's intriguing. Okay. Let's leave that well enough alone. Let's look at the body. Border. I'm not rotating it. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. I might try if I can get this right. 40 pixels solid. And we're doing the yellow again. Right? And I am not sure where this is going to show up. Margin. Ooh, it's got some weird things going onto it. Okay, so scale 1. It's still going weird. All right. 1. Nope. Oh, I know what it is. 0, 50. There we go. 60, 70, 80. All right, that's okay. That's okay. 0.5. 0.4. There we go. And then 60, 50. Yeah, we're getting there. This is educational. You know? These aren't quite lining up. Let's see. 3, 2. It's not quite right. Oh, I see why. That's better. looking decent. It's not quite centered. 42. Whoa. Okay, one side is good and the other side is not. So let's do negative 20, 41. Okay, it's sizing. It needs to be bigger. And then I think there is a difference. There we go. Let's hit submit. Let's just look at this. The fact that this is working at the moment is really exciting because I thought I was stuck with what border 99.2%. It's not even close. And I bet if I zoomed in, oh, let's not do that. Okay. If I zoomed in, it would be really far off. Okay. I think I need to set up the previewer if I'm going to do anything like this. But that is interesting. You know, there's going to be some, maybe that's 43 as well. 4, 42, you're 42. Nope. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if that's worse. Yeah, oh, that's better. All right, let's see what that does. I haven't practiced the tools to get more fine-grained with this, so I'm not going to be able to get that one done. So let's just clean this one up. Oops. But that is curious. That is curious that how that was working. There we go. That's that. That is that. Not much I can do to change this. Background and outline, share that color. Yeah, it's just putting this color in a second time is the biggest, I think, loss of characters with this solution. So it'll be too far away. 122. I like that. It's decent. I just know I'll be missing some tricks to get top 10, you know? 122. Cool. Well, that was fun. Hope you're having fun too. And I'll catch you later.